Mr. Dupree.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. Ready on Grub?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Calling case number 2106-283601. The State of Michigan versus Cornelius Grubb. Defendant is charged in count 1, home invasion, first degree, count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation.
Appearances for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PA 0132, attorney for the defendant.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people. P number
Before they are
0249.
turned over to defense, I want an order signed that indicates that any personal identifying,
no.
they won't be duplicated.
Judge, we had adjourned last conference because I had contact with the defendant. I've now had contact with him, just asking to set the matter for an exam.
All right, the court will continue to plea of not guilty. We'll set this matter for preliminary examination. Out is March 29th at 11:15.
Good for the defense, Your Honor.
Okay, March 29th at 11:15. Bond will be continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Carson, good morning.
Good morning, Judge King. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
You're here on bail?
Yes, sir.
Case number 2305-571401, people of the state of Michigan versus Terrell Bail. Defendant is charged in count 1, domestic violence, third offense. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 3, police officer assaulted, resisting, obstructing. Defendant has a habitual offender with defense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people. P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephanie Carson on behalf of Mr. Bell, who is present. We consent to conduct this hearing via Zoom.
Mr. Bell, tell me your name for the record.
Ring Bell.
What's your pleasure, Ms. Carson?
Your Honor, we're requesting an in-person exam. This matter was adjourned for March 7th.
Court will continue the plea of not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination on let's do March 29th at 12:15.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Can we discuss bond, Your Honor?
Did you already have a bond redetermination hearing?
Yeah, yes, sir, they did. I'll wait till the 29th, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor, what time was that again?
12:15.
Thank you.
Ms. Payne, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. Your Honor, I'm here for Mr. Juan Ramirez. We have a preliminary exam scheduled at 11 o'clock. I've had a jail visit or two with my client, and I've received several messages that he wishes to have a new attorney.
Let me call the case. Let me call the case.
Calling case number 2305-580201, people of the state of Michigan versus Juan Ramirez. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 2, domestic violence. Defendant has a habitual offender for defense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people. P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sharon Payne appearing on behalf of Mr. Ramirez, P 38749. Mr. Ramirez is not here. He is in the Wayne County Jail. I would waive his appearance for this proceeding.
For the waive the defendant's presence, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, Mr. Ramirez has left me several messages on my voicemail that he wishes to have new counsel, and this was confirmed by a telephone conference with his sister, who called me again yesterday. At this point, Your Honor, we are scheduled for an in-person exam at 11 o'clock this morning. I just wanted to know what the court's pleasure is.
No, you don't get to pick or choose your assigned counsel. If he wanted to retain someone, then he should have done so before today. So I'll see you at
11.
11 o'clock.
I will be there, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Saba,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
I was here yesterday on Damonte Rush, who's in Zoom right now for PCC. We wanted to come in and talk about maybe adjusting his tether restrictions. And I spoke with the prosecutor, Ms. Shelley Drain, as well yesterday.
We call the case.
Calling case number 2305584-301, people of the state of Michigan versus Damonte Rush. Defendant is charged in count 1, weapons, firearms, discharge in a building causing injury. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 3, tampering with evidence. Count 4, weapons, firearm. Felony to stop and render assistance after discharge causing injury.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed Seba on behalf of Mr. Damonte Rush, P83365. Mr. Rush is here via Zoom. Mr. Rush, please present yourself to the court.
Good morning. My name is Damonte Rush.
What's your pleasure, counsel?
Your Honor, the defendant would like to adjust his tether restrictions if possible. He needs to be able to get back to work so he can pay the bills. He has children that he needs to feed, and he's just been stuck at home.
With all due respect, with those charges, and I don't know anything about this defendant or that case, he's lucky he's not in jail.
I understood, Your Honor, but I believe that my client is not at risk to, not a threat to the community. It's still a GPS tether, and he just wants to be able to put food on the table.
Where does he work?
Mr. Rush, if you may.
I'm self-employed. I work on cars and houses. Mostly I work on cars. Like I'll be on the call when people call me with an odd job. Could you repeat that?
So you don't have a job?
No, I'm just self-employed.
It doesn't sound real convincing, Mr. Sella.
Your Honor, that's the only way that he. Apologies. Apologies, I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
I was asking my clerk what his bond is. He's on a personal bond with those charges. He should be in jail, with all due respect.
Again,
to the community, to me, in that he's a felon in possession of a firearm. He allegedly shot someone.
understood, Your Honor, and
The person
regardless.
is looking, asking me to lower the bond even more than what it is.
I'm just, Your Honor, we're just asking for him to be able to go to work and take care of his kids. That's all.
He doesn't have a job.
Understood, Your Honor, but he is self-employed, and usually when you are self-employed, like such as I am, most of the time the way that you get business is, through word of mouth, networking, and being able to go out there and, garner the work.
People.
Your Honor, I guess if there was, if he had a job that he was working at, then maybe we could adjust the hours, but I don't know that he's expressed that there is something. I'm not sure what the request is, just open hours or specific times. It doesn't sound like he has specific times. So this is my issue here.
Yeah, what exactly are you asking for?
Mr. Rush, I would like an open period for Mr. Rush to be able to work on vehicles or whatever it is that he may do during the daytime.
Does he have a license? Does he have a license to work on vehicles?
No.
Okay, so he's doing that illegally too, right? No, that request will be denied. Continue with the house arrest.
And,
Thank
Do you have an exam date?
Your Honor, I wanted to address that issue. After the PCC yesterday, Mr. Sabat and I did speak on the phone. And I had already spoken with the complainant in this case. I let her know immediately about the exam date since it is scheduled for 1 week from today. She indicated to me that she just started another job and she would not be able to make it on that day because of the time. She is asking if we could do it, if we could do this exam any time in April, just before noon, because she just started a job and she can't take any days off.
Are you available April 3rd at 9 o'clock, Mr. Sabo?
April 3rd at 9 a.m. Let me check my calendar. I am not available at 9, Your Honor.
What about 11?
I may be available at 11. Yes.
Okay, April 3rd at 11 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond continue. Thank you. Mr. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. What can I do for you?
I have Mr. Robert Charleston on the docket. We'd like to schedule an exam.
Charleston. Okay.
Calling case number 2206-057501, people of the state of Michigan versus Robert Charleston, defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation, count 2, interfering with crime report, count 3, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris, P54891, on behalf of Robert Charleston, who appears via Zoom under the name Robert Charleston.
Mr. Charleston, tell us your name for the record.
Robert Lindsay Charleston II.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Harris?
Your Honor, I'd ask for a preliminary exam at this time. We do have discovery.
Before we continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination, how is March 29th at 9 o'clock?
That's not a good date, Your Honor.
The whole day is bad?
Yeah, I have a surgery on the 28th, and so I'm gonna be dealing with that on the 29th.
Yeah, you know how you do.
No, I'm in the country.
Okay. How long are you going to be recuperating?
A couple of days at most, Your Honor.
How's April 3rd to 11:30?
That's good, Your Honor.
April 3rd at 11:30, bond will be continued.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
God bless.
Mr. Charleston. Mr. Charleston, we'll talk. You can log off now. Have a good day, Your Honor.
Thank you. You too. Kevin, unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I am here with my representation. I believe he's in, Mr. Adam Clemens. I'm not sure if he's in here right now.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Kevin Arnold Jr.
Okay. I haven't seen Mr. Clemens yet.
Okay.
I'm sure he'll be with us shortly.
Okay, thank you. Should I just mute and continue to wait?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Harris is here.
All the keys. Yeah, those are mine. House key. So anyway, I don't know. I was gonna say, I guess I hope not first. Got a third. Open circuit. I find it. Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Clemens. Mr. Clemens, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. You're here on Kevin Arnold?
Yes.
Okay.
Call in case number 2305-557101, people of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Arnold. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 2, domestic violence aggravated. Count 3, knowingly assault or assault and battery of pregnant individual.
I say pregnant woman. I don't know if anybody else can get pregnant with a woman. How about you, Mr. Clean?
I would agree, Judge, with that pronoun usage.
This is for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
May it please the court, Judge Adam Clements, P number 77233, appearing on behalf of Mr. Arnold, who I see in my upper right-hand corner. Mr. Arnold, please unmute yourself and introduce yourself to the court.
Good morning, Kevin Craig Arnold Jr. Good morning, everyone.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Clemens?
We're asking to set this matter for preliminary examination at the soonest date.
Court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary exam. How is March 29th at
I would need the earliest time possible on the 29th. I got an evidentiary hearing at 1:30.
March 29th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor. Very good. Ms. Drain, please send me the discovery at your convenience, please.
Yes, I will. I'm sorry you don't have it already. You weren't in the system. I didn't know who assigned counsel was. It
Okay,
wasn't
yeah,
in the system, so.
Yeah, we appeared at the arraignment, so I'm not sure what happened.
Okay, yeah, I'll get it to you. Thank you.
Have a good day, everybody.
All right, I'll continue. Thank you. Have a good day. You're all set, Mr. Jump, Mr. Arnold.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Harris,
Yes, Judge.
you ready on Treasurer Williams?
I sure am.
No, no.
Sure.
What did Mr. Ryan do?
I'll give him an update. That would be nice.
Where did Mr. Ryan go? What's here? She must be on her way over. You can have a seat till she gets there.
Anticipation. I get. See what she doesn't bring it with it.
such jobs.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody turn the heat on hell in here. It's hot. Treasurer Williams, calling case 2355872 for the state of Michigan versus Treasurer Williams. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, count 3, domestic violence aggravated. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Bob Harris for Mrs. Williams is present.
Tell me your name for the record.
Treasurer Williams.
Is the time set for the preliminary examination? Are you ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I am not able to proceed at this time. The complaining witness is Mr. Dorian Michael Lamont. He was notified of today's date of time, and he is not present. Your Honor, I cannot proceed without his testimony.
So, or the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, sir.
Robert Charleston. So we'll come. Thank you, sir.
Turning on the 10 o'clock, or client should come up to go. Yeah, yeah. One issue. One issue.
That dismissal or something.
Yeah. I just want to show them the order.
How you doing, Judge Grant?
Hey, all right, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
Yeah. The next case, I guess they had some another courtroom that. Tukawis, took a kind up to the police city, that's 15 minutes.
All right.
I'm just filling it in.
Thank you. That's it.
You're welcome.
Who do you think going to the Final Four?
I like Alabama,
UCLA?
Yeah, just because of the guard, that little guard. told
Man,
me.
I think he been playing even since you been there. He been there so long.
Yeah. He been there a long
That guy
time.
older than me out there playing.
Yeah, he been there a long time, man.
So Alabama, UCLA.
And, Xavier.
Xavier, really?
Yeah, they got me. Got the best football on the whole team.
Okay.
And I probably say.
What about Houston?
Yeah, Houston. Those, that'd probably be my vote. I got Alabama winning it all.
Yeah, they look like they're about the best.
They are.
They're killing you.
I think that guy gonna be the one I think. Really? We gonna get either the first, second, or third pick. He gonna be either 1, 2, or 3. He ain't gonna be 1, he'll be 2 or 3.
Yeah. we have somebody come in here and adjust the temperature? I can't take it. I'm burning up.
I said I'm gonna have a deep you'll find me on sport.
What's, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kiana Washington. How you pronounce your first name? Malik.
Malik Lofton, Your Honor, at 10 a.m.
Calling case 2355871 for the state of Michigan versus Malik Law. Defendant is charged with count 1 home invasion, first degree, count 2 domestic violence. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Lee, number 60249.
Good morning, Judge. Neighborhood Defender Service by Jackie Polkowitz, P81653, on behalf of Mr. Malik Lofton, who is present and standing to my left. Malik, state your name for the judge.
Good morning, Judge. Malik Lofton.
Today's the date and time set for preliminary examination. Are you ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I am not able to proceed at this time. The complaining witness is Diane Watson. She is not present for today's hearing. I cannot proceed without her testimony.
Your Honor, we would move for a dismissal without prejudice.
So, or court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you too.
Hi, how you doing? Hey, my man, how's it going? Good, good. Good.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Yes, Your Honor. Kiana Washington.
Correct.
Where is Ms. Washington? Pronounce your first name.
Kiana.
Kiana. Calling case 2355873, People's State Mission versus Kiana Washington. Defendant is charged in count 1 assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2 assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 3 aggravated domestic violence.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drink for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Brent Jaffe on behalf of Kiana Washington, who's present in person, P81818.
Tell me your name for the record, ma'am. Tell me your name.
Oh,
for the
I'm
record.
sorry, Kiana Washington.
You have something on your head, Ms. Washington, I can't see.
I'm
A
sorry.
hairband, Your Honor.
Oh, it's just a hair. You want to take it off?
Yes, ma'am. There's a date time set for preliminary examination. Are you ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I am not able to proceed at this time. The complaining witness is Mr. Marcus Washington Felton. He was notified of today's date and time, where the hearing he is not present. I cannot proceed without the testimony.
Your Honor, we've been asking the court for a dismissal at this point.
Dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, my client has a tether that the court could, because I don't know if the order has to reflect that she can have her tether removed, and because then she can go to the Dickerson and have it
Dismissal order that you're about to fill out for me, will take care of.
take care of that. Yes, sir. So, Your Honor, in terms of bond, she did post a cash bond, but it was the bail bondsman, so, you know, how does that? Just, that's it, it's a lost, it's a lost expense. Sorry. Name,
Your Honor, I am expecting a witness for our 11 o'clock.
Oh, joy.
Fingers
Okay.
crossed, fingers crossed. Maybe this should be translated. Yes.
Good. She's over here.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay.
Slow motion today, huh?
Yes, sir. You know, I was thinking about what you said about that UCLA guard. You know, with this COVID, all these guys getting extra years in
Yeah, I
college.
know. I know. They got some guys out there 25 years old playing against 18-year-olds.
Yeah, that boy from Memphis, he was 26.
Yeah, see, you got grown men out there playing with kids.
Yeah, my best friend, he started listening. He said that every day they don't be looking at them old guys like that. They're like, man, you older than everybody. You should be.
Right. You older than some pros.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just kind of picked UCLA because that little guard, he controls the game. He controls the tempo, and that's usually dictates a lot.
Defense is gonna win.
Absolutely. I forgot about Tennessee. They play really good defense too.
Yeah, that's the only reason State made it as far as their offense.
Yeah, terrible.
They play good defense.
They do. They do. And for whatever reason, Izzo gets the boys ready when the tournament comes. They could play like crap all year. When the tournament comes,
Well, they've been battle tested too.
yes, sir.
They played Alabama.
Yeah, they play Gonzaga too.
They played.
They play tough schedule. I think they played Duke too. Big Ten was kind of weak, Judge.
But look at their records. They beat up on each other.
Yeah, yeah. But the talent wise, they was kind of
Once they
weak.
get out the Big Ten, you can see how lacking they are in talent.
See, we only got one team left.
Yeah,
You know,
in both tournaments.
the girls too.
The NIT.
Oh, NIT.
Wisconsin.
Oh, okay. North Carolina said, no, that's beneath us. We ain't going to no NIT.
Yeah, Michigan didn't want to go.
They didn't?
They team didn't. They didn't want to play. Because what's his name set out? Howard set out.
Yeah, his son said that?
Yeah, set out. Claimed that he had an injury, but you know he trying to.
Bro, I think he overrated anyway. No D.
No.
I think he overrated based on his father, who his father. He could play, but I think he's overrated though.
I think so too. It would have showed they had made it into the attempt.
Yes, sir.
Guys, game, fast, strong, they can shoot.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I think probably the three best defensive teams, well, four. You got Houston, you got Alabama, you got Tennessee, you got Michigan State. They're probably the best four defensive teams left in the tournament. I say you probably got the best four defensive teams. You probably got Alabama, you got Tennessee, you got Houston, and probably Michigan State as far as just defense.
Defense, yeah. That could, it's possible, that could be your final four.
It could. It could. Especially, you know, Michigan State get past Kansas State, which I think they could beat them. You know, Kansas State, they
I
are.
think so too.
Yeah.
Any team that don't have a legitimate big man,
Yeah.
they can
get with them.
They got a legit big man,
They
we
can-
don't have nothing.
Nothing in the center.
No.
You're right. But I believe the ideal final, if they could, if I don't know what side they're on, would be Houston and Alabama. I think that'd be a great final.
That would.
Yeah.
That'd be a war.
Yeah. And the fact, I think they played each other this season once already too. I think they played. I think did Houston beat them or no? I think Alabama. I think they played. Let me Google it. That's it. That's up.
It should be. Oh, man. It's Ramirez.
Ramirez, 134.
Yep, okay.
Alabama beat them 71-65.
Oh, I think Alabama has the best team.
Yeah, I do too.
It was like one of the commentators said, you can have the best team. If you think about the NBA, they got 4 games to determine who's the best. In this, you can have an off game, somebody have a good game, and the best team don't necessarily have to win. Anybody can beat anybody.
You're right, one game.
Yep.
But
It's one bad game.
But see, the thing I'm impressed with Alabama, they showed they can win a game 50-45, or they can win 90-80.
They score a lot.
Yeah.
They score a lot.
And that's when you spell trouble. You got a team that can play offense and defense.
Yeah.
Because they got the best player in college basketball. That Miller dude, that's why I say I think he's gonna end up. Really, I hope we get to 7-4 boy. Victor, he's number one hands down. He's gonna be number one draft pick. He's 7 feet 4. Okay. And play almost like Kevin Durant.
Really?
7-4, shoot threes, handle, everything.
Alabama?
No, he in the G League. He played for French.
Oh, okay. Well,
He only 19. He gonna be the first player picked. They already said it, hands down. You know, you got a guy 7'4" judge, can shoot threes, can handle like shots.
that's why we play in Michigan.
Oh, the big kid. No, he ain't.
Too slow.
Right. You right.
You don't have a great shot.
And he can't jump. Yeah, you right. But that guy, I seen him play at first. This other guy in the G League was gonna be number 2. His name Scooter Henderson. But this boy from Alabama that came on so strong, they saying he gonna be number 2. He ain't but 18. I watch him. He's definitely a pro because he's 6'9". He can handle. He can get his own shot. He can shoot it from 3. He gonna be a guard in the NBA at 6'9".
That standard center that they used to have back in the day.
That's over.
Yeah, you got to be out 3-point line.
Yes.
Shoot and take it to the hole.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is he up here? Can we go talk to him?
Yes.
And he talked to him?
Yes, he will talk to him.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay. Mr. Ramirez. Señor Ramirez, yo soy la intérprete.
Once you find out, you can leave the whole, I'll call to see if they can get it on. So they can do it.
So you say you have witnesses for the 11?
They're not here yet, but we told 3 people that it's fine.
Okay.
However, she is going to be.
And we know if he needs an interpreter.
Yeah,
Sound like he's speaking English.
Exactly, and that's what this thing said, that she was talking to everybody.
Can we see that? Fine. So we just need to know if they
Can you just tell his team that the complainant is here?
Okay.
So, thank you very much.
All right. Want to let you know the complainant is here.
Okay, okay, I appreciate that. Okay, well. you're gonna put this in on. Thank you. We are.
Yeah. She's, turning on the 11:30 check. Yep.
Yes.
So. I'm telling you, with those new stuff. Yeah.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
She's trying to find someone. They still turn the clock so much.
Still waiting on the interpreter. Another interpreter, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, I know. I was just.
Judge, could you approach?
Yes.
Thank you.
Javon Tatnall. Calling case 2355693, people of the state of Michigan versus Javon Cynthia Tatnall. Defendant is charged in count 1 assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2 assault with a dangerous weapon, count 3 domestic violence. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charleston, for the people, seat number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chester Kenneth, 83295, representing Mr. Javon Tatwall, who's present and to my left. Is that what we please state your name for the record?
Javon Tat.
Today's the date and time set for your examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many witnesses for the people?
Your Honor, I will be calling one witness.
All right, ready to call you witness.
Thank you. This time, the people will call Mr. Ernest McIntyre.
How you doing?
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you guys doing?
I'm good.
Hey, you're right.
Yes.
All right.
Sir, please step forward, give your name and the spelling of your name to the young lady seated there. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you, sir. Please have a seat in the witness box right next to me. Voice a nice amount of speaking to that microphone is going to be to your left, okay? You may begin when you're ready.
Thank you. Good morning. Please state your name once again for the record. All right, Mr. McIntyre, I'm going to be asking you some questions today. If you don't understand anything, or if you want me to repeat it, please let me know, all right?
All right.
Okay, thank you. Mr. McIntyre, I want to bring your attention back to the date of January 13th of this year, 2023. Do you remember that date?
Yes.
Okay, and what were you doing on that date?
I was asleep. I was getting up in the morning to work.
Okay, and as you were getting up in the morning to work, did anything happen?
Yes, I got a phone call around 7 o'clock in the morning from the mother of my child, Giovanna Chadwell.
Okay, let me stop you right there. You said you got a call from the mother of your child, Giovanna Tatnall, is that right?
Correct.
Okay, and do you see Ms. Tatnall in the courtroom here today?
Yes.
For identification purposes, could you indicate where she is and what she's wearing today?
She's to the right.
Okay, what is she wearing?
I hit the screen. Project.
Thank you, Your Honor. Please let this record reflect that this witness has identified the defendant, Giovanna Tatnall.
So noted.
Thank you, Judge. All right, and what was the nature of that phone call?
About me picking my son up.
Okay, and so was there, what is the arrangement between the two of you, if anything, regarding picking up your child in time?
The arrangement is I pick him up at the police station or at the school on my week. So I get him every other week, every Tuesday. That day, the incident was my birthday. I was not supposed to get him. She called me to come pick him up from school. I told her no. She asked again, my son asked me, and I told her yes, I would do it.
Okay, so your son was there and you talked to your son as well?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so you said that yes, you would pick him up from school, is that right?
Correct.
Okay, so was that your understanding of what was going to happen?
Correct.
Okay, did you have to make any changes to your schedule that day?
Yes.
What were those?
Just push back. I had to push back. I was target work. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right, so did you in fact go, well, how old is your son?
My son is 6 years old.
Okay, and did you go to his school to pick him up?
Yes.
Okay, so when you arrived at the school, first of all, what is the location of the school, you know?
I know it's on Grove Street, near 6 Mile Ward. I just go to school on Grove Street.
Okay, and is that in the city of Detroit, the county of
Yes.
Wayne? What's the name of the school?
Paul Rose and Michael Minister.
Okay, so when you got there, what did you do? Did you stay in your car, get out of your car, what did you do?
When I arrived to the school, I went to proceed to go to the main office, pick my son up a little early. Once I proceeded to walk back out the building, put him in the truck.
Okay, let me stop you right there for a second. So you went in the building to pick up your son a little bit early?
Yes.
Okay, so what time would you normally have picked him up?
I used to start at 3:40, 3:30, 3:40.
Okay, and what time did you go to pick him up?
3 o'clock.
Okay, so we're not talking hours, we're just talking a little bit early, is that right? Okay. Okay, so then you walk him out of school and you, go to your vehicle?
Correct.
Okay, and where were you parked?
I was parked right outside the front door on the street.
On the street, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so what happened when you got to your vehicle?
I heard a loud, I heard the engine, it revved real loud, coming towards me. Once I proceeded to put ice in the truck, I didn't get the truck, and then I heard the tires, and then, she jumped out and started yelling at me.
Okay, hold on a second, I'm sorry. When you say she, who are you referring to?
Giovanna Chadwell.
Okay, so you saw Ms. Tatnall.
Correct.
Was she in a vehicle? Was she on
Yes,
foot?
she was in the vehicle, she was in a small Jeep.
Okay, had you ever seen her in that Jeep before?
Yes.
Okay, could you see if there was any, was she driving the Jeep?
Yes.
Could you see if there was anyone else in the Jeep?
I didn't see no one else, but I didn't see no one else as a person.
Okay. So what were you thinking when you saw her there in front of the school when you had already made arrangements?
At first, I didn't know who I was scared. That's the way they pulled up and I was turned. And the angle they was coming into me, I'm scared of my life to get hit.
You were scared you were going to get hit? You were going to get hit by what?
A car.
Okay. All right, so what happened when you realized that it was her?
I got out of my car, looked at her, she was yelling at me. She pulled something out and I heard her put my car in drive, I tried to drive off, she hurried up and tried to hit me again to get me to stop. I stopped and I had to drive on the grass a little bit. And she drove out in front of me and cut me off completely. So where I couldn't go 40 anymore and I had to reverse back up Grove Street.
Okay, so I just want to get a real quick picture here of exactly what happened. So you put your son in the vehicle first, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so were you all the way in your vehicle when she approached?
No, I was halfway out my vehicle.
Okay.
I had just opened my door up to hearing the loud, the engine moving towards me.
Okay.
And once I was turned around and looked, that's when I seen the sure it was by my door. And I was like standing in and out of the vehicle, looking at her get in. Once I seen it was her, I shut my door.
Okay. Well, how close did her car get to your vehicle? How far close did her vehicle get to your vehicle?
I don't want to say probably a foot.
Okay. And then you got back in your vehicle? I mean, you got in your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And she got out of her vehicle?
And she stepped out of her vehicle and yelling, and she really just, I don't know how, but she stuck her head out, yelling with her phone, or I think it was her phone,
Okay.
yelling.
What was she yelling?
I couldn't understand it.
Okay, you didn't know?
I don't know what she was saying. It was just a whole bunch of gibberish and yelling all the time.
Okay, were you surprised to see her there?
Yes, I was shocked, because you're not supposed to have any contact.
Okay, did she send you any text messages or
Yes.
any, hold on, any text messages or any phone calls between the time in the morning when the arrangement was made for you to pick him up until the time that you picked him up? Like to switch who's gonna pick your son up?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's get back to what happened at the time. So you get in your car and she's yelling at you, and then what happens?
I put my car in drive, and I tried
And what was your point in putting your car in drive?
to get away from the situation in here.
Okay, so what happened after that?
She got even closer to where I couldn't go nowhere at this point. Like, she really was about to hit me. At this point, I had to hurry, turn onto the grass and stop.
So you had to turn onto the
The
grass?
curb. I had
With the curb?
Yeah, in terms of the curb, literally right from top of the feet.
Okay, so you felt that your car would have been hit if you did not go on the grass?
Yes.
Okay, what happened after that?
After that, I tried to go for some more, and then this point, she made it out, she completely cut me off to where I can't go forward at all.
Okay, so what did you do after that?
After that, I put my truck in reverse, I'm scared, and I backed all the way down the road street.
You got it all the way down the street?
Yes.
Okay, what happened after that?
Yeah, I don't know the name of the side street, I went to the side street to 6 Mile, and I proceeded to go to 6 Mile. On one side, to 6 Mile, I see her Jeep come on the road and tail the back of my bumper like she was trying to push me down the road. And she stayed on my bumper for all the way until we got to Woodward, swerving, trying to push me. I was doing my speed a little bit, but she was just steady constant on my bumper. And all of a sudden, she made a hard right onto Woodward. And then after that, I got a couple phone calls, and then after that, it was good.
You got a couple phone calls from who?
Savannah Channel, Block, Newark.
Okay. All right, so when she was following behind you, did she ever hit your car?
I wouldn't know how to hitch, I wouldn't feel it. I just know that she was, I couldn't see her front of the bumper anymore. She was so far behind. All right, I couldn't see her hood.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I have no further questions at this time.
Crossing town? Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. McIntyre.
Good morning.
Okay, so you said you normally pick your son up from school from 3:30 to 3:40. That's the normal time?
Yeah, the time, yes.
Yeah, and you picked up early today at 3 o'clock.
Correct.
That day, okay. And you said when you came out with, you put him in the vehicle, or you heard the loud revving before you put him in the vehicle?
I put him in the vehicle, and as I was supposed to, I put him in the vehicle, and that's when we heard the vehicle approaching.
Heard the vehicle approaching?
Yes.
Okay, and then you continued to put him in, and you got in the car, correct?
No, I heard him approaching, and that's when I was getting in the vehicle, and that's when the brakes was like open my door, that's when I heard the vehicle, as it's coming to me, as I was opening my vehicle door, stepping into my truck.
Okay.
And once I stepped into my truck, that's when, and I looked behind me to see what's going on, and that's when I see her car approaching my side door as if to try to get me.
But you were in the car?
No, I was not in the car. I was standing outside my vehicle on my foot. I have a pickup truck, so I opened my door and I said, "Let's put it real." and therefore she looked back and see her push up on my door.
Okay, so your son was in the car,
Yes.
you were standing on your foot rail,
Yes.
and then she approached the vehicle, screeching at your car,
She was
one foot away
already,
from you.
she was already approaching the vehicle as I was opening my door up, stepping up, and then once I turned around, as I was still getting to the truck, that's when you heard the screeching, like she was trying to stop the car.
Okay, that's what confusing me. Okay, so wait a minute. You put your son in your car first, correct?
Yes,
Was that on the passenger side or the driver's side?
that would be on the driver's side,
So you put him in on the driver's side.
on the driver's side.
Okay, and then after you put him in on the driver's side, you're still in the street,
Yes,
and then you heard the loud rapping of screeching.
yes.
And then you stepped on your foot rail and opened your door, and then the vehicle approached you.
The vehicle was already approaching already. The tires were screeching once I stepped on my foot rail.
Okay, but the vehicle never made contact with you or the car, correct?
No, it did not.
Okay, and so you were able to get into your car, or while you were standing on the foot rail, that's when you spoke to Miss Tedner?
Once the car screeched on me, I heard this, I got in my truck, and,
Were you able to close your door when you got in your
I was
truck?
able to close my door.
Okay, so you were in the car, secure, and then that's when the vehicle came outside, to where you see who was in the vehicle?
No.
Okay, so what happened once you got in your car?
Once I got in my car, she stepped up, her vehicle was screaming and yelling, and she pulled something out, because I'm assuming it was her cell phone.
Okay.
And she got yelling and whatnot, and I started cruising forward, go forward. And that's what she got even close to, like she wanted to hit me, and I had to drive towards the curb.
Okay, so that's what confused me. Okay, so you said she got out of her vehicle and had a phone in her hand, and you were in your vehicle.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, and then, so when you tried to drive off, before you could drive off, she jumped back in her vehicle and stopped you from pulling up?
Yes.
Okay, so how long of a time period was it, like a couple seconds?
Well, I had to start when I got in my truck, I had to start it up. She was yelling, she was doing that, and then once I put it in gear, she was already back in her car.
Okay.
And as I started to proceed forward, that's when she did it again. Yes,
Okay, okay. So then, when she cut you off from driving, you said you had to put it in reverse and drive up the grass?
No, not the time. Once I jumped to the curb a little bit, I was able to still kind of go forward.
Okay.
And at this point, she said, you ain't going nowhere. She drove for the third time, drove in front of me, cut me off completely.
Now, when she said you're not going nowhere, your windows were down and all her
No,
windows
she
were down?
didn't, she didn't just, this is my, in my head when she actually put it in front.
So she didn't say that?
I had no conversation with her at all
Okay,
whatsoever.
perfect. Okay, I wanted to make sure that wasn't a statement.
No,
Okay.
no conversation with her at all
Okay.
during this time.
Okay, so she cut you off, but you still had a little room to go around her, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so did you go around her, or what happened next?
So on the second occasion, the third occasion, I finally was able to still try to go forward. This time she basically cut me off all the way. Okay. And I couldn't go forward. And that's when I backed up Grove Street.
How far did you back up Grove Street?
I backed up Grove Street, a half a block.
Okay.
A half a block, and then I made a right down, I don't know the name of the side street, but I went to 6 Mile. And once I proceeded to go down 6 Mile to head back to my city, she was telling my bumper, all on my bumper, I mean, on my hitch.
Let me stop you for a second. So as you back down Grove, was she telling you while you back down Grove?
No.
And when you got to the side street and made 6 Mile, was she telling you down 6 Mile? I mean, down the side street to 6 Mile?
No, she never did. She didn't tell me down the side street.
She found you on 6 Mile?
Yeah, she went down the opposite block. So the corner, once I was driving, I got to the opposite corner. I was about to make a right, which she cut us off. I guess she went down that street and I backed up down the other side street. And once I got to the side street, I made the right on to 6 Mile. She made a right on 6 Mile and she flew to my back bumper.
Okay. Did she hit your back bumper?
No, she did not hit my back bumper. I couldn't tell. I wouldn't know how to hitch on my truck.
She hit the hitch?
I couldn't tell how to hitch on my truck.
Okay. And you said she tells you from, I'm assuming this 6 Mile Linwood area, that's what Paul Roberson's at.
I know it's a couple blocks after Log Cabin. I do remember that street, but
Okay.
Log Cabin all the way up to Woodward.
Okay, I know Log Cabin probably about 3 blocks from Paul Roberson.
Yes.
Okay, so did she come out on Log Cabin, or that's
No,
when you
no,
entered?
no, this
Oh, that's what she called
this
it?
is street I just remember that's over on
Okay.
the west side. I don't know
Okay.
the area.
Okay, and so you said she tells you all the way to Woodward?
All the way to Woodward.
It's about 3 lights from there to
She told
Woodward.
me all the way from Woodward.
So I'm asking, did y'all stop at any lights, or were you
I
running
did not
red
stop
lights?
at no lights.
Okay, so you just was
I was
basically clear.
going through, I'm scared for my life, so I'm going through.
Okay, okay, and then when you got to Woodward, she just disappeared?
She made a hard right on Woodward, that's all I.
Oh, you kept going
I
past
kept
her.
going straight down.
Okay. And it was never in contact with you or the
Never
vehicle?
had no contact.
Okay. No further questions, sir.
Can you redirect?
Yeah, nothing further, Judge.
Do you have any idea what she was upset about?
I do not know what she was upset about, but I just know she made a decision to say that for me to get my son off that day.
So she wanted you to get your son and you got your son.
I got it when I felt like she has to be in charge. Don't say do what she do, when she say do it, expectation. I told her, no, I'm not doing it. She had my son phone, he told me, and then I was like, gotta do it. So there should have been no reason why she should have been up at the school once I texted her that I was going to get my son.
Okay, so you initially told her no. Then after you spoke to your son, you decided to do it. Did you communicate that?
Yeah,
to
I
her?
texted her phone saying, yes, I'll pick them up. I have messages on my phone.
Okay. All right, so when after you put your son in the car and you said she's approaching you with her vehicle, and you say she can screech her brakes to avoid hitting you?
Yes.
Did she almost hit you?
Yes.
All right. What part of her vehicle was closest to you, her passenger side or her driver's side?
Passenger side.
Passenger side. How did this ordeal end?
We ended my goal.
So you're driving down Woodward, you say she made a hard right somewhere. Is that the end of it?
She made a hard on Uber, that was the end of the chase.
Did you hear back from her anytime that day?
I was, we don't communicate, so. She just called my phone off the time.
No messages left, no text messages?
I'm not for sure, but I'm gonna say yes, some messages, but.
You didn't listen to the message? Any questions based on my questions? Mr. Janice, any questions?
No, you're right.
Thank you, sir. You may step down. Any other witnesses on behalf of the people?
Your Honor, I have no further witnesses at this time.
Any witnesses on behalf of the defendant?
No, you're right.
People.
Your Honor, I would move to bind over card and Mr. Hart.
Your Honor, from the testimony presented here today, the allegations sound sketchy at best. There was never any incident to the vehicle, which I believe could easily be done if she was trying to hit his car. It seems exaggerated.
You know, for felonious assault, it doesn't have to be.
No, I understand that part. Yeah, but I think it's being exaggerated exactly what happened to how she was coming at his car and how fast the vehicle was coming at his car.
Tell me why it wouldn't be a question of fact.
Because I think their history of what they have between mother and child and how he's
Do I know anything
frustrated
about their history?
Yeah.
Let's stick within the four corners of this hearing.
Okay.
Tell me why it wouldn't be a question of fact to be determined by a trial.
Because there's no evidence that supports it from any other witnesses. It's nothing, it's just his word saying that she was driving at him and screeching at the car.
Is it his sworn testimony evidence?
Yes, yes.
Wouldn't that be enough? If I believe?
If you believe, I guess that's the
Trial
point I'm
fact
trying to make. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So it would be a question of fact to be a trial or a trial fact, would it not?
Yes.
Okay,
In that
that's
aspect.
all I'm trying to determine. All right, the court after hearing the testimony of Ernest McIntyre is satisfied that the verdict of probable cause as relates to the charges contained in the complaint form. The court finds those charges were committed in the city of Detroit. The court finds probable cause to be disciplined committed. The defendant will be bound over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court Criminal Division for proceedings. His arraignment, her arraignment on the information date and time will be April 5th, 2023, at 9 o'clock a.m.
The April 5th, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you think?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Ms. Payne, so it appears as though we're not gonna be able to get another interpreter here, so we're gonna have to adjourn you, man.
Okay. Frank said it's just on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday.
Yes.
Can we do the 31st in the afternoon?
Yes, sir.
I have two matters and one search of my computer, maybe by 11:30. Or I can be here in the afternoon.
Ready, Mr. Chairman? I'm sorry?
I said you need it.
Mr. Drain?
Yes. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Can I approach your honor and ask a question?
Sure.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
And it's Varga. Let's get Mr. Varga. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not Varga, it's Ramirez. I don't have a file.
Ramirez, come on out, sir. Pull that towards you and you'll have a seat. Right where the officer is.
Calling case 2355802 for the state of Michigan versus Juan Ramirez. Charged with count 1 assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2 domestic violence. This has an additional report.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Shelley Drake for the People's Team number 6024.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sharon Payne, T 38719, appearing on behalf of Mr. Ramirez, who is present in the courtroom as well. Your Honor, we do have an interpreter for Mr. Ramirez, if she could be speaking as well.
Your name for the record, ma'am?
My first name is Antonia, Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Vivian.
All right. Please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
All right. Here, I have a wild idea here. So the interpreter is here to interpret for the defendant. She's going to interpret everything that everyone says in the court, in particular the witness. So when you guys are asking questions, she's going to be interpreting for the defendant. If we gave the interpreter the microphone and she translates from Spanish to English, English to Spanish to the best of her ability, she had a microphone, couldn't both parties receive the benefit of what it is that she's saying?
Your Honor, in the past, I've had a similar situation, not in a criminal matter, but a divorce matter. And it was felt, given the fact that there are two different sides, that each side should have their own.
She's not on anybody's side, she's just interpreting what's being said.
I understand that.
I asked that in your,
I don't know. The interpreter did have an opinion on that.
You have an opinion on that, ma'am? If I was to give you a microphone and you interpret everything that's being said in the courtroom, whereas the defendant and the witness can hear what it is that's being said, do you have an issue with that?
Personally, I don't have an issue, but I have been in private with the defendant and his attorney. So if he says or comments on anything, I have to say everything he says.
But he's not going to be talking in his hearing.
Right. I understand that. People get emotional and say things. It's not supposed to be done that way, but I have no objection to trying to proceed. But according to ethics and standards, one interpreter should not be, because you're not supposed to be.
You're not supposed to be on any one side.
I know, but you hear private conversations.
But you're not going to disclose what those private conversations are, right?
Correct, of course, no.
Okay. So again, I ask, what's unethical about it?
That we're representing two sides.
You're not representing anybody.
No. It's up to you, Your Honor. That's all that I've been taught.
Well, given that we have all parties here, including the defendant, and the defendant is incarcerated, I think he would be better served to go ahead and move forward with this. I'm going to get the interpreter, make a way for her to receive a microphone so her voice can be amplified. And if the defendant has a question or something that he wants to communicate to his attorney, I want the defendant to raise his hand. We'll stop what we're doing. We'll have the interpreter interpret what it is that has to be said to his attorney. Okay? I think that's about the best we can do, and I think it's reasonable, and I don't think there's anything unethical about it, given that the interpreter is a neutral party. Actually, she's not a party at all. She's just interpreting what's being said. Okay. It may take a little bit longer, but I think we can get it done. Are there any objections?
I'm not objecting. No, Your Honor, I just, as we previously discussed, sidebar.
Yeah, be out here. What time? What time is it?
It's 5 now.
Oh, I know what time it is. What time do you have to be?
I apologize. 12:30.
12:30. I don't know. Okay. You want to put this matter over? We can do March 29th at 9:30.
I'm not available on March 29th. First date on a Friday I'm available is March 31st in the afternoon.
Do March 31st at 1:30.
I was thinking.
Defendant made a statement.
Sorry.
Can he change?
Your Honor, before we leave, Mr. Ramirez has a motion of his own he would like to present to the court.
Did he run it by you?
Beg your pardon?
Did he run it by you?
I just heard, and he wishes to have another way. And can
Did he retain one?
No,
You don't
he
get
can't
to
even
pick your
open it.
assigned counsel, so that's not gonna happen. What is it you want to say to me, sir?
Yes, we can receive.
I just want to receive if I could get another lawyer. I mean, I'm not really happy to wait to be taking care of my
Why do
case.
you want another lawyer?
I don't know, I just got a feeling that, she's not doing it the right way. It's just my feeling, but I mean.
She hasn't done anything yet. What are you talking about?
Okay, no, that's fine then.
No, I'm just asking.
It's just a feeling that I had, that's all, I'm just nervous and I asked her a couple of things, but and like you said, yeah, she haven't done nothing. So, sorry about that. We're good.
Okay, so I'll see you March 31st at 1:30. Thank you.
Yeah, that's our order too.
Oh, I was wondering, what that's all about?
Are we down to 1:30?
Yes, sir.
Okay, down to 1:30.
Good, you all right?
I'm doing good, sir. How about yourself?
I'm good.
Let KT go. Okay.
Session of the minute to get back, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, he's still here. He sure did. I was like, okay. He sure did on that one. Is that done? All right. We got a 8 bagger in Sabreeze gang, two different gangs. They, I believe, 4 of them is in custody. 3
is on bond one way. So over at the jail, they had a gang fight, hurt a lot of people over there. Officers got hurt and everything. So the three that's coming in, we don't know what side of the gang that they own and all that. So that's why
What's the game?
I don't even know and give us all the information, but all the officers that's assigned here, everybody came in today. So you see officers floating in because we just floating around trying to kind of be seen and stuff like that. So yeah. So I don't know what's gonna happen. You know? Yeah.
I think the most I met. 6 or 7.
Yeah. My problem is that I don't know how we're gonna place them because we don't know who's on what side and all this other stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. That's gonna be a rough one.
Y'all need to take my robe off and come down.
You know, so yeah, so. Yeah, so we good here. I think they picked them up already.
What floor is Sabrina?
She's in 438, yeah. That's at 1:30.
So Judge, so I've been informed that we have a confirmation that the complainant on the 1:30 is not going to appear. So,
Is our defendant in custody or?
I don't think so. It's not showing here. But let me check real quick.
Nobody's here?
No, because it's 1:30. I was gonna call defense counsel and maybe we could.
Yes, why come back at 1:30, so
Right.
we can do now, right?
That's true.
Okay, we can get the attorney here or the defendant, or either one.
Okay.
We can go ahead and do it now.
Okay, or even.
You got a custody.
Yeah,
You can double check that. We usually grab it.
Lucky was down here, so he already checked. I don't think he in custody.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Bye, Judge. Okay, have a good day now. You too.
All right, I'm gonna go check on the other courtroom to see who ain't had lunch yet and stuff like that.
Okay.
Everybody got, hopefully if ain't nobody got nothing at 1:30, everybody gonna be up in Judge Breeze Court.
I'm getting from his office, so I called his office and called him.
Okay, great.
It's strange, yeah. Let's see, did he have one, a hold or something, another case or something? I saw he had a personal one, he said.
Thank you, you too.
And if you have it all set up, it should be, he's gonna give him a call. Attorney's gonna give his client.
Okay, Peter Torres. There it is. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Your Honor.
I see you got the memo.
I did, yeah, I did. Yes.
All right. Calling case 2259065, people of the state of Michigan versus Vance Varga. Defendant is charged in count 1 assault with a dangerous weapon, count 2 domestic violence. Appearances for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Shelley During for the people, key number 60259.
And Peter Torres here on behalf of Vance Varga, P68242.
Tell me your name, Mr. Varga.
Speaker. Vance, state your name, please.
Vance Varga.
Today's date, time set for preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I am not going to be able to proceed today. The complainant in this case is a Ms. Justine Wood. She has indicated, she was notified of today's hearing, and she has indicated that she is not going to be appearing for the hearing, and I would not be able to proceed without her testimony.
Mr. Torres, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. With that, I would ask the court dismiss this matter.
So ordered, the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice. Have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
You're all set, Mr. Varga.
Thank you.
That concludes the docket for today.